boy. I'm a gangster, but y'all knew that. The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flame hanging out my backside, but only on the left side. Yeah, that's the crib side. Ain't no other way to play the game the way I play. I cut so much, you thought I was a DJ. Two, if it, one, yeah, three. I'm S-N-double-O-P, jingle double G. I can't fake it, just break it. See, when I take it, see, I specialize in making all the girls get lazy. So bring your friends, all of y'all come inside. We got a war for me right here, now get live. Now don't change the diesel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine dime bristle. Waiting on the pizzle, the jizzle, and the shizzle. G's to the bizac, now ladies, give me jizzle. When the pimp's in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot. What? Drop it like it's hot. What? Drop it like it's hot. And when the pigs try to get at you, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. But if a nigga get an attitude, drop it like it's hot. Sing this shit. Drop it like it's hot. I'm a bad boy with a lot of hoes. Drive my own cars and wear my own clothes. I hang out tough, I'm a real boss. Big Snoop dog, yeah, he's so sharp. I'm on the TV screen and in the magazine. If you play me close, you want a red beam. Oh, you got a gun, so you wanna pop back. AK-47 now, nigga, stop that. See, Miss Shoes, I'm on the move. Your family's crying and now you on the news. They can't find you and now they miss you. Must I remind you, I'm only get to twist you. Pistol whip you, dip you, then flip you, then dance to this motherfucking music we quit to. Subscribe, nigga, get your issue. Baby, come close. Let me see how you get loose when the pimp's in the crib, ma. Drop it like it's hot. Say what? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. And when the pigs try to get at you, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. But if a nigga get an attitude, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Do anybody know my name? What's my motherfucking name? I can't hear you. What's my motherfucking name? I like the way y'all said my name, but I sort of kind of like want y'all to say my name a little something like this. Oh shit! Everybody get up! Go!